Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day today. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys my client's home. I am so excited because I went to North Carolina and she was just like, I feel like we're not getting anywhere, we're not doing anything. And I was just like, are you kidding me? So much is done. But I can see how she can feel like things aren't getting done, but it looks so good because visually I see it in my head. But I know for a fact once she sees this video she's gonna be in love because she can see everything kinda in a way, but the areas are painted, the crown molding is up, the floors. Anyway, let me just go ahead and jump into sharing this with you guys and you can see for yourself. All right, you guys, we actually got here last night. All the furniture's in the U-Haul. If you follow my Instagram, then you've probably seen this. We saw these chairs. They're from Stanley. They were no longer being made, I think, and Home Goods had the chairs. So I believe we have, I want to say a total of 12. I don't think we're going to use all 12, but we wasn't 100% sure on which one we wanted to go with, whether it was going to be like the cage back or just the solid upholstery ones. So I think we have 12. I think we have 6 of these and then 6 of those here, just to kind of see what the layout was going to be. But those are the chairs for the dining table, and then this right here is going to be the legs for the dining table that's going in there. The lamps for baby boy's room. There's wall decor, floor arrangements for the island, some stuff for the pantry, organization right here for the pantry, rugs, and the sofa for upstairs. This came from the design studio locally in Savannah. It was such a good deal, you guys. I wish you guys could actually see it. And then right here is the dining table. You really can't see it, but it's so pretty, you guys, and it's from Stanley. And then the rugs, we still have another rug coming, but this one here is gonna go for baby girl's room. I wish you guys, I don't want to open it all the way, but the color is so pretty. And then I believe this one here is baby boy's rug, if I'm not mistaken. Both of the children were really specific in what they wanted. Like, she wanted pink and her son wanted blue and gray, so that is gonna get done. But everything's gonna get put upstairs. As you can see, downstairs is not finished, so all the furniture is gonna go upstairs. And before I leave, I think if I can, it'll be a second video. Before I leave, I think we're gonna be able to get the rooms cleaned and at least get the rugs down, and then their furniture is gonna probably get delivered sometime this week or something. But we already got have and if I'm not mistaken, I want to say the furniture is going to be delivered sometime this week for the kids also. Most of the furniture upstairs is complete, just maybe some accent things here and there, and then the finish of the paint getting done, and then downstairs. But I'm so excited so you guys can see the space. It's gonna look really, really nice. This was a big project. It definitely wasn't a small project. This was like a huge project, so I'm really excited. And if you guys could see the flower arrangement right there in the corner, it's so pretty. I think that was like $200. Those silk flowers, they're so nice, you guys. I can't wait to set everything up and you guys get to see that. The lamp shade right here. OMG! Where's her light? Where's her light? I think I shared with you guys her light fixture also. Where is it? I think they packed it somewhere within this thing right here. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am like so excited. So the second part that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in the video is the lower level, the kitchen. Now downstairs is the area where I can see that she's like, you know, nothing is getting done, but things are still moving in that space and things are going to come together. And I feel like if it wasn't her forever home, it's going to be her forever home because it's gonna look so great. So when I first visited her and she told me like the whole kitchen got gutted out, I noticed that she had this one wall up and I was just like, what is that? She's like, it's a pantry. But when I opened it up, it was a very hollow space and the racks were just so small, and I felt like it was way too much dead space in the pantry. So one of the things that I suggested to her was, since you're already doing a custom kitchen, how about the wall gets knocked out and we extend the cabinets to do a full-on pantry? And she was just like, you know what, that's why I brought you in, because sometimes it's good to have that extra eye. And I was just like, yeah, you should definitely do it. So right now what you guys are seeing is the updated look of her kitchen. Number 4 is where the fridge is gonna go, and number 1 and 2 is going to be the new cabinets for the pantry. And then here you have a look at the island with the dishwasher and the cabinets and everything. It's gonna look so good. In the house tours that I did, those homes that was $6 and $7 and $1 million, they had pantries that was the run of the wall. So I'm super happy because I feel like when everything is done, she's gonna have her own $600,000 home, but she didn't have to pay that much for her house, okay? So I want to show you guys how the home is currently transforming. This is what the space looked like previous, with no hardwood flooring, no trim, the walls needed paint, and the walls behind me, I did not share them, but they were missing wall from the water damage also. And this is the new updated space. So right now the color in here is just white. This wall here and this wall is going to be the accent wall. I think I gave you guys a brief idea of how the room was going to look, but her bed's going to go in the nook, living space right here. So I step further back. I'm in the bathroom here, the closet, which has the up and down racks. And again, like, this is going to be the accent wall. That's going to be the accent wall. Credenza's going here, and then a small desk is going to go against this wall here so she can work. But it's so cute. The sofa's downstairs. The bed, I'm going to do measurements. You got, okay, it's the next morning. I want to show you the chair. It's so pretty. All right, you guys, the color is ash rose. It's so pretty. Okay, I gotta go. So right here is the upstairs loft space, and as you can see from the previous walkthrough, the walls need to get done, the floor needs to get done. We're still working on that wall. We're trying to, it's hard to get labor out when everyone is dealing with the damage from the storm, but you can see there's no trim, no flooring or anything like that. And then the kids' rooms, everything had to get done in there, the flooring, the wall, and everything like that. And now you guys are going to see the updated look into the space. All of the trim and everything has to be caulked, and I'm gonna have to find a color because these colors here are too dark, and that one's too blue, and that one's too white. So that's that. But flooring is in. I'm so excited. And then this is her son's room. He wanted it to be blue and gray, so I'm actually going to be doing an accent wall in here also. His bed's going to go against this wall here. So this is the room, but it looks really nice. It looks really good. Let me turn this way so you guys can see from this wall here what that looks like. But look at that. Oh, walls. We're still trying to work on this right here. I'm not 100% sure. The thing about it is, which I'll explain to you guys a little bit towards the end, what's going on with this property, but we're still trying to figure that one out. All right, going into this room. This is baby girl's room. She was very, very, very specific in what she wanted, but the color looks good. To me, okay, the color is a pinky peach color, but it's really, really nice and soft because I wanted to bring in some darker tones of pink. Just to give you an idea really quickly, these are just some of the, that's an accent pillow. This one here is a pillow that I picked up. My shoes are from TJ Maxx, you guys. They're not Gucci. I know they probably look from far away, but these are from Sam Edelman. I want to say they were like 50 bucks. So much better than Gucci, which is like $900. But anyway, but these are the colors here. I want you guys to see that, but yeah, everything's gonna get cleaned up. But I want to give you guys an update on at least the upstairs. Downstairs is still a work in progress, but that's what's going on. Here's a quick look at the sofa for up here. This sofa is from Hennerdyne and it looks so good. Oh my geez, I'm so excited. This client is, the furniture is all high-end, most of it anyway. But yeah, I'm excited so you guys can see the space once it comes together. Oh my gosh, so her home brings a smile to my face and makes me so happy, because even though she was in a rush to see her home being done, she fully trusted me to bring her vision, and let me repeat this, to bring her vision to life. I am not there to manipulate or to make a client change what they want. I am here to make everything just look really nice and clean and cohesive and make the space look as though you hired a designer. I feel like with this client, I am doing interior design 100%. Everything else has been more styling, which is fine, but she was really flexible. She was patient. She took her time. The phone call that we had was actually back in January, and the first thing she said to me was, Nadia, this is going to be my home, and I've been watching your video for a year, 2 years, and I know that you do mix of high and lows, that you're about quality, and that's exactly what I want in my house. And I was just like, you're my client. What's good? So we have had a growing relationship. If you see I do any sort of banter on my Instagram or even here on YouTube with food, I am taunting her just a little bit. We always kind of joke around and stuff, because when I go to North Carolina, she tries to take me to like really nice places to eat, and it's not expensive. When I say nice, just like little things that, you know, food is really good, and they have been good, you know, I'm gonna give it to you, they've been good, but it doesn't beat Savannah's Southern cuisine. So I've taken her to Pink House, I've taken her to Sliders, I've taken her to several different places, and she's like, so when are we gonna shop in Savannah again? I'm like, no ma'am. No ma'am. Let me just say now, it has been a pleasure working with her. The reason why this home is taking a little bit longer to come together is because the house suffered damage during the storm. So everything that gets done in the house in the reno process has to go through inspection and approvals before the next step can go. So downstairs is going to be getting sheetrock here shortly. Upstairs was fully approved, so that's why you see the walls are up, flooring is down, everything is done. I am so excited for this space to come together because the furniture selection is just amazing. It looks so freaking good. Oh my god, did you guys see that Hennerdyne sofa? Like, it just looks so good. The kids' rooms look so good. Her kids were 100% on board with everything. I sent her 2 and 3 beds. I sent her decor, and her daughter was like, I want what Nadia picked, Ma. Like, what Nadia picked is what I want. So I am so happy to have this lovely house turn into a home. And that's pretty much it, you guys. If you're interested in my services, I will be leaving my email down below. I'm still working on the website. Give me some time, y'all. Give me some time. I promise we're gonna get together. I promise we're gonna get together, okay? But for right now, you can follow me on YouTube and on Instagram, and I think I said right, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.